They're coming around turn 2. This is exciting racing by the young champion. It's bumper to bumper as they go into the final lap. It's amazing to see this level of whakataetai. It's looking good coming into turn 1. It's anyone's race. Down the back straight they go into turn 2. And our young champion takes the victory as they pass the checkered flag. Woo! There you have it at the final. Another amazing battle by all of our racers. We'll be back soon with your next race. That was amazing. Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're at Taipā Speedway. He tino wāhi tēnei kia hau. This is one of my favourite places. And if you like race cars, then this is the place you want to be. Whai mai, let me show you around. Taipā Speedway started in the mid-1980s. That's the olden days. People have been racing here ever since. Whee! This track is made up of 2 straights and 2 corners. It's also made of red uku. This clay is famous for its firmness, grip and drainage. Tino, my cuzzies, this is the pits. Check out all of these amazing waka tuki-tuki. There's so many amazing waka tuki-tuki here. In stock cars, they have different classes. There is C-grade, which has motor car like this. They're not very powerful, but they're fantastic for learning how to drive stock cars. There is production class. They're like pimped up rides built between 1995 and 2005. They've also got passenger seats just in case someone else wants to come for a ride. Anyone? There is B class. This is where things start to get spicy. This waka tuki-tuki has a V6 in it. Check it out. And last but not least, we have the saloons. These are the big boy waka tuki-tuki. Fast as and hard as to control. You have to be a real mean driver to be able to race these waka tuki-tuki. And if you thought the V6s were too hearty, wait till you see what's under this hood. Tough. This engine's called a V8. That's like 2 more Vs than a V6. That means more power. You'll notice that these waka tuki-tuki look different to normal cars. That's because there's strict rules around the safety of racing cars. Some of them are. You have a roll cage, a steel roof plate, strong, and side impact protectors. You have steel mesh windows. We also have seat belts. Approved engine, important. Approved wheels, need those. And we have special seats. All of the safety equipment is very, very important to keep everyone as safe as possible while they're racing. Hey, we also have to wear special That's Ashley Jackson. He kaitaraua tino tereia. She's the fastest race car driver here. And my arch nemesis.
Buzz.
Ashley.
Buzz the cuz.
Ashley Jackson.
Let me guess. You're on another one of your amazing adventures.
That's right. And today I'm showing the cuzzies what racing waka tuki-tuki is all about.
If that's what you want to call what you do is.
Well, you'll be surprised because every time I practice, I get better.
You're the reason we need practice.
You're the reason we have side impact protectors.
Oh, well, excuse me.
That's all you are is excuses. Oh.
I don't need an excuse to beat you.
Well, get ready because I love a wero. First across the finish line is crowned the fastest racer.
Fine.
Fine.
Cool.
Cool. I can't believe I just challenged Ashley Jackson to a race. Get yourself together, Buzz. You can do this. All right, my cuzzies. It looks like we're pulling out the Buzzmobile today. Why my? Check it out. This is my Waka Tuki Tuki. Oh, it's almost time to race. Time to put on my safety gear. What's that? That's right, it's me. Check out all my safety gear. I have my race suit, my race boots, my kahurunga, gloves, my neck brace, and my pōtai maro helmet. It's even got my name on it. All right, time to get in my Waka Tuki Tuki. And the tension is high as the racers get their final safety checks from the race officials. Okay, first we get some warm-up laps. This is it, my cuzzies. Today might be the day I finally beat Ashley Jackson. This is going to be amazing. Whew. Okay, think, Buzz. What are those rules I need to remember about the flags? The green flag means go and the race is in progress. The red flag means stop immediately. The yellow flag means be very careful. The white flag means one more lap to go. And the checkered flag means that it's the end of the race. Whee! So much to remember, but I can do it. Okay, got it. Racers, please make your way to the start line. You can do this, Buzz. And they're off. Great start by Buzz going into turn one. He has the lead. Down the back straight, Ashley has taken the lead off Buzz. Coming into turn two, she's extending her lead. We have a beautiful crowd out here cheering for Ashley. And we have someone cheering on Buzz. It's the final 2 laps. Buzz isn't letting Ashley get away. This is an amazing effort from the challenger.
I've been a champion for all of my life. As a young and golden medals, more than something I like.
The white flag is out. One more lap to go. It's anyone's race. Ashley is going wide on the corner. Will Buzz overtake? Go, Buzz! Go! That was close. We'll have to go to our instant replay to see who won. Who would believe it? It's a draw. Congratulations to both Ashley Jackson and Buzz the Cuz.
Not bad at all, Buzz. You've been practicing, eh?
Thank you. You're pretty fast too. I didn't think I was going to catch you.
I'm glad you did. I need some good competition around here.
Well, it looks like there's 2 best racers at Taipā Speedway now.
Well, now?
Is that a whittle?
Do you really want to see who the best racer around here is?
You had me at whittle. To the Buzzmobile!